Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable dark mode on your Messenger PC. Now let's begin. As you can see, I've already installed the application, so if you have not, do install it right now. If you're facing any issues and do not know how to install it, we have created a video regarding how to install Messenger on your PC as well. Once everything's all well and done, log into your account. Once you have logged in, you will view something like this right here. At the very bottom left, you will find your profile icon. Simply click on it. That's the profile menu. Now a tab like this will open up. That's preferences. Again, click on it. Something like this will open up right here. Now among all these tabs, there's active status, notification, and finally, appearance. Right here at the very top, there's something like appearance theme, and below it here is a drop down. Just click on it. Now there are lots of options available here like dark mode, gray mode, high contrast dark, high contrast light, or light. Since we simply want to implement dark mode, here is dark right here. Click on it and you can see dark mode has been enabled. You can also opt out for a lighter version, that's gray. And that's it guys, that's how you enable dark mode. And in case you're fed up with dark mode, simply click on this again and click on light. That's it for the video guys, that's how you enable dark mode on your Messenger PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.